on this bonus lectures section. So first I'm going to show you how to add a logo to your WordPress website. You can actually create a logo on Canva for free, or let's say you have a logo available for your website. Now we will need to now in this section in this section we are going to learn how to actually add a logo to our website. So first we need to go to our website. As you can see, there is currently a text coming here, and I want to change it to a logo. So currently I haven't created any logo, but I will use any image. If you have a logo, you can select upload the logo from here, and then the logo will be visible here, and you can select it like this. Select. It will ask you to crop image. If you want to crop image, you can crop, or if you don't want to crop image, you can skip cropping. So yeah, that's how this logo looks. So you need to so I will so first I will download a logo image, AB Education. So let's say logo free logo. First I will download any logo, like we are going to download this logo. Let's say I will download this logo here. Now our logo is downloaded. So we will select our logo from here. Let's say I want to upload this logo. And select, and I want to crop this image. Now you can see the company name. Here is our logo available, and we don't want site title now, so we can actually only show our logo here. And now I'm going to publish this website. Now we'll go to our website and see the logo appear here. So yeah, that's how we add a logo to our website. That's it for this lecture, and we will meet in the next lecture. So in this lecture I'm going to show you the new WordPress feature, which is automatic plugin updates. So first we will go to our dashboard. And then you can see here is an update available. So this update is update. So this is actually a theme update. So all these updates, like related to WordPress version, what plugins and themes, will be shown here. You can update your theme from here. So for automatic plugin updates, we are going to here, and here you can see the enable automatic updates. So when this option is enabled, in future, whenever a new update is available for this plugin, it will be automatically installed. So you don't have to log in to your website every day and update your plugins whenever an update is available. You can just simply enable auto update, and yeah, that's it. Now this plugin with classic editor update automatically to the latest version whenever a new update is released by the developers. So this is how this works. Currently, I have disabled the jetpack. I will be enabling it, enabling it and automatic updates for this too, and I will activate again. So yeah guys, that's how you enable auto updates. That's it for this section. Now this I'm going now this that's it for this section. Finally we are at the end of this course. I just want to wish you very congratulations that we have actually made it, and I wish you all the best for your future journey. For your I wish you all the best for your future journey, and I hope you develop some great websites for you and your customers. And so now what's next? So now you have learned to actually create a website. Now you can create a blog or a website for personal use or to sell them to your customers. And now after completing this course, so this website I will be maintaining this website aveducation.com. This will be my personal blog. Here I will be releasing all the new content, and I will be sharing all the questions you have in this blog. So we have the collection of all the questions at one place, and you don't have to navigate to another section or another video again and again. So I will change the name of the course to the course name, and then we will see. You can always visit this page. You can always visit this website. I will be regularly maintaining it. So yeah, that's it. All the best for your future. I will also be adding a Facebook group on Udemy or this website. So don't forget to join the Facebook group, where other people can also answer your questions. So that's it, and all the best for your future.